for more times.
The withstanding power of the charcoal is more. It gives more amount of heat energy, whereas charcoal gives only less amount of heat energy. For if you take a live example, for in Smithy foundries we are using charcoal and we are also using coal, but we need more heat energy. So there will be more amount of charcoal has to be used. Whereas if we are using coal, only less amount of coal will be utilized. Okay. Next. And this is the liquid fuels. Naturally, we are getting crude oil. If you take the Gulf countries, excess amount of this crude oil is extracted from the Gulf countries, the deserts. Okay. But when doing the refinery process, during the first refinery process, we are getting petrol as a byproduct, and next it is diesel. And the third byproduct after refinery, we are getting kerosene, and finally it is converted into this coal tar, where which we are using in the roadworks for building or making the new roads and all. Okay. So this is about the liquid fuels, and finally the gaseous fuels. Okay. Natural gas is available from the outside, but the artificial gases, coal gas, producer gas, water gas, hydrogen, because nowadays Toyota, okay, is focusing on this hydrogen gas. Okay, for balloons we are using hydrogen gas. Okay, this hydrogen is available in nature, but we are taking it and we are making into some fuelable forms. And then acetylene, blast furnace, oil gas. So all this biogas, everything is the comes under this gaseous fuels. Okay. Okay. Now from this is a brainstorming session. Okay. Now can you tell some items which can be made as a secondary fuel from the solids by seeing this picture? What are the existing products which can be converted into solid fuels? Wood waste. Okay, that is called as sawdust. Okay. Any other things apart from this? Please recall. You have seen anywhere? Mainly from the agriculture. Coconut waste. Coconut waste also we can make it. Any other things? Dried leaves we can select. Okay. And then in agriculture we are using rice cultivation and all for wheat. Okay. So after extracting that wheat or that rice, the excess the coverage of that rice, that particles, it is called as rice husk, like that. Okay. That also can be made into this possibility of the fuels. We can see here. Okay, these are the waste products from the crops and the plants. Okay, so this is a setup where this particular wastage can be converted into the this particular fuels. Okay, because nowadays what was the solid fuels we are using is wood. It was easily available, but nowadays there is no chance of cutting the woods or trees, because cutting of trees is directly relating to the climatic change. There is no rainfall like that. So now the cutting of wood is banned. Okay, so if you take our liquid petroleum gases, the hike of the gas price is very, very higher. If you take day-to-day news, the commercial cylinder has become 1,800 rupees. Okay, so whatever the consumers are they are buying that particular gas, it is more price also, but the return the amount is forced on the publics. Okay. As you are mechanical engineers, after your completion of a degree, you can go with an entrepreneurship by starting these ideas. Okay. So many of them are turning entrepreneurs by choosing this field. Okay. So this is one of the session. So finally we will go for our mind mapping, what we have done here. So just we have discussed about what is the fuels, we have discussed about the fuel types, We have saw what are the definitions, we have seen the different types of fuels, and we have made the source next. So these are the references. Come next. So here are the references. You can NPTEL courses are available on britannica.com, and you can have a watch with that. These are the books you can. Thank you.